It's on movie mode now. Check 1, 2.
Don't make me laugh.
That's a stop hammer time moment because we're in the movies.
So I wanted to, if I had more time, I have planned in 3 weeks.
It's not a picture, it's a movie. Oh, now you decided. No, oh, now you what? Are you wanted or something?
I want everyone to know that in the future, I am the new billionaire. My name will be in lights everywhere. Do not play with me. You will be asking me for money, and I will share with you.
Uncle Boogaloo will be. I'll be like, it's Uncle Boogaloo. I don't care security. It's Uncle Boogaloo. Hey, Uncle Boogaloo. You know me, Boogaloo. She be like, let him in. Hurry up for you. It's Uncle Boogaloo.
That was like, wow. You know, she was like, oh yeah, we couldn't find any skewers, right?
Take this moment.
I was saying it right here. I took 2 steps and there was like skewers hanging right there. Wow.
Hey, brother. How you doing, sir?
Hello, how you doing? I'm doing good.
You tell me to get it back up here? You tell me.
Just to let you know, Adana will never become a millionaire.
Why?
Because I am.
Oh. And when you
She's gonna be in a homeless shelter.
No, she's not.
Well, she's gonna be in a house, right?
Yeah.
And she's gonna.
Yeah, you better get your snotty fingers off my hand. That's all I gotta say.